It-23 ta' Ġunju 2016, il-jum li l-poplu tar-Renju Unit għażel li ma jibqax membru tal-Unjoni Ewropea u tal-proġett Ewropew. It-23 ta' Ġunju 2017, il-Prim Ministru Theresa May tressaq l-ewwel proposti tar-Renju Unit fi Brussel għall-aħħar summit tal-Presidenza Maltija li fost oħrajn iddiskuta l-impatt ta' Brexit fuq l-Istati membri.
I want to reassure all those EU citizens who are in the UK, who've made their lives and homes in the UK, that no one will have to leave. We won't be seeing families split apart. This is a fair and serious offer. And I want to give those EU citizens in the UK certainty about the future of their lives, but I also want to see that certainty given to UK citizens who are living in the European Union. Of course, there will be details of this arrangement, which will be part of the negotiating process, but we've made what I believe is a very serious, a very fair offer, which will give reassurance and confidence to EU citizens living in the United Kingdom about their future.
Dan il-proposti maħsuba biex jissalvagwardjaw miljuni ta' ċittadini kemm Ewropej u kemm Ingliżi intlaqgħu tajjeb mill-Kanċillier tal-Ġermanja Angela Merkel li deskrivietom bħala punt ta' tluq tajjeb għan-negozjati Brexit li bdew nhar it-Tnejn li għadda. Iżda, l-ogħla awtorità tal-Unjoni Ewropea, il-President tal-Kunsill Ewropew Donald Tusk, kien ta' fehma differenti.
We want to ensure the full rights for EU and UK citizens after Brexit. My first impression is that the UK's offer is below our expectations and that it risks worsening the situation of citizens. But it will be for our negotiating team to analyze the offer line by line once we receive it on paper.
U Jean-Claude Juncker, President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea, qal li dawn il-proposti mhumiex suffiċjenti fil-waqt li l-Prim Ministru Malti Joseph Muscat appella għad-dettall sabiex in-negozjati jolqtu lil kulħadd.
I think it's a good start. We need to see the details. My concern at this point in time is that we might be creating pitfalls if the details are not really well ironed out. I will give you a few examples. Citizens arriving before a certain date will be treated in one way. European citizens arriving after a certain date will be treated in another way. What about non-EU citizens who are related to EU citizens having some sort of status in the United Kingdom? So I think everyone wanted or would have liked or would like a situation where there is a blanket fair treatment of all our citizens. Obviously, I think we all agree with the issue of reciprocity. I don't think there is an issue there, but I think all of us would want to know more details and we would expect more in the next few months.
Intant nhar it-Tnejn li ġej Theresa May se tippubblika l-ftehim dettaljat biex ikun skrutinizzat mit-tim ta' negozjaturi Ewropej dwar Brexit.